Hello and welcome to this video on how to level up your English with smarter word choices. Today, we're going to look at common phrases we use in everyday conversations, like very hot and very tired, and how you can replace them with more expressive alternatives. We'll cover everything from explanations and sentence transformations to quizzes and short reading exercises. By the end, you'll feel more confident in your ability to use advanced vocabulary. Let's get started. Don't say very, boost your vocabulary with simple changes. Let's begin. Don't say very sad. Say heartbroken. Heartbroken. Words like very sad are common and can sometimes feel too mild to convey deep emotions. Using a more specific term like heartbroken emphasizes the intensity of sorrow, making it clearer to readers or listeners how deeply someone is affected. Synonyms. In this section, we will explore synonyms along with examples to better understand their contextual usage. Very sad. Heartbroken. Devastated. Miserable. Depressed. Heartbroken. When Clara found out her friend was moving away, she was heartbroken, feeling as if she'd lost a part of herself. Devastated. After failing to get the job he had dreamed about, Damien was devastated and couldn't talk about it for days. Miserable. The gloomy weather made her feel miserable, and she spent the day curled up on the couch. Depressed. James felt depressed after his team lost the championship game, as he had put so much time and effort into it. Sentence transformation examples. In this section, we will examine the original sentences and match them with their transformed versions. Henry was very sad about not getting the promotion. Chloe was very sad when her best friend moved away. Jane and Lewis felt very sad after losing the game. Sam is very sad, unable to get over the day his fiancée Lily walked out of his life. Naomi felt very sad when she lost her pet. Naomi felt heartbroken when she lost her pet. Sam is heartbroken, unable to get over the day his fiancée Lily walked out of his life. Chloe was miserable when her best friend moved away. Jane and Lewis felt depressed after losing the game. Henry was devastated about not getting the promotion. Let's test our knowledge with quizzes based on what we have already learnt. One. Laura was feeling blank after the accident. A. Joyful. B. Heartbroken. C. Content. 2. After missing out on his dream job, Gabriel was completely blank. A. Miserable. B. Overjoyed. C. Very sad. 3. When his favorite team lost, Tim was blank. A. Relieved. B. Depressed. C. Thrilled. Four. Which word is a synonym for heartbroken? A. Devastated. B. Cheerful. C. Excited. 5. The news left her feeling blank for weeks. A. Very sad. B. Cheerful. C. Heartbroken. 6. Which word is most similar in meaning to miserable? A. Content. B. Depressed. C. Overjoyed. Let's listen to a short reading text and focus on the words we have learnt. Losing her beloved pet, Bella felt completely heartbroken. 4 years, her dog had been her closest companion, always there through both joyful and challenging times. The days after were especially tough, each memory of her furry friend, leaving her feeling even more devastated. Without her loyal companion, she felt miserable, struggling to find joy in the small things she once loved. Even though friends and family offered support, the feeling of depression was hard to shake, like a heavy cloud that refused to lift. With time, she hoped to heal, but for now, the emptiness was overwhelming. Heartbroken. Don't use very sad, use heartbroken to describe the deep sorrow she felt. Let's proceed with a new one. Don't say. Very beautiful. Say. Stunning. Stunning. Very beautiful is a simple way to describe something pleasing to the senses, but it lacks impact. Stunning suggests beauty so overwhelming, it causes astonishment, which can create a stronger emotional response. Synonyms. In this section, we will explore synonyms along with examples to better understand their contextual usage. Very beautiful. Stunning. Gorgeous. Breathtaking. Exquisite. Stunning. The view from the mountain was stunning, with a sea of clouds beneath them and peaks stretching endlessly into the distance. Gorgeous. The garden looked gorgeous in full bloom, with vibrant flowers filling every corner with color. Breathtaking. Zoe and Jack watched the breathtaking sunset, captivated by the brilliant hues that filled the sky. Exquisite. The artist's attention to detail was exquisite, making each brushstroke a masterpiece in itself. Sentence transformation examples. In this section, we will examine the original sentences and match them with their transformed versions. The sunset was very beautiful. The dress was very beautiful, capturing everyone's attention with its elegance. The landscape was very beautiful, with every detail like a piece of art. The music was very beautiful, each note resonating with elegance and grace. Inside, Maria found a very beautiful pair of diamond and ruby drop earrings. The music was exquisite, each note resonating with elegance and grace. The sunset was stunning. Inside, Maria found a stunning pair of diamond and ruby drop earrings. The dress was gorgeous, capturing everyone's attention with its elegance. The landscape was breathtaking, with every detail like a piece of art. Let's test our knowledge with quizzes based on what we have already learnt. One. Which word would be the best substitute for very beautiful when describing an amazing scene? A. Rough. B. Ordinary. C. Stunning. 2. The jewelry was blank and shone in the light. A. Exquisite. B. Ordinary. C. Boring. 3. The dress was so blank that it left everyone speechless. A. Noisy. B. Dark. C. Gorgeous. For Lily was casually dressed, her blank face emotionless as she gazed at Tom. A. Gorgeous. B. Content. C. Very beautiful. 5. Which word is a synonym for stunning? A. Rough. B. Breathtaking. C. Frightening. 6. This modern family restaurant also offers blank views. A. Very beautiful. B. Exquisite. C. Happy. Let's listen to a short reading text and focus on the words we have learnt. Walking along the beach at sunset, Vanessa marveled at the stunning view before her. The waves glistened under the sun's last rays, casting a warm glow across the water. The scene was truly gorgeous, with shades of pink, orange, and purple melting into the horizon. Vanessa stopped to take it all in, feeling the breathtaking beauty around her, and realizing how rare moments like this were. Every detail was so exquisite: the gentle breeze, the scent of the sea, the vibrant colors. She felt grateful to witness such a spectacular display of nature's artistry. Stunning. Don't use very beautiful, use stunning to describe the breathtaking sunset. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, small changes in your word choices can make a big difference in how fluent and natural your English sounds. Practice using these new synonyms, try the quizzes, and don't forget to transform those basic sentences into more descriptive ones. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips and exercises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.